Hi, Martin here. I have a fun puzzle with a quick solution involving a conversation between a farmer and a visitor. The conversation is as follows. Man, how many birds and how many beasts do you have on your farm? Farmer, there are 30 heads and 100 feet. Man, I can't tell from that. Farmer, oh yes you can. Can you? Please pause the video to allow yourself an opportunity to solve this fun puzzle. Here with the solution. Let A represent the number of four-legged beasts and let B represent the number of birds. The equations then become A plus B equals 30 for the number of heads, and 4A plus 2B equals 100 for the number of feet, which is then easy to solve. Two equations with two unknowns, and when you solve it, the answer is 10 birds and 20 beasts. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed the puzzle, please like and subscribe to help with the algorithm. Thank you.